Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem without using mouse. We will just gonna use keyboard, and so this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen, just follow all the steps one by one, and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, you need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. So if I press Windows key plus R key, so you will get this option. Then just you have to press backspace and type here DEV mgmt.msc and hit enter. Okay, my bad. I will DEV. Okay, and hit enter. So it will open device manager. Then you have to just press tab button, keep pressing tab button, and then just use the down arrow to go to the mice and other pointing device. As you can see my window, now you need to press right arrow to expand this, and for the particular mouse device you have to just press the down arrow, then you have to hit enter. Now again on this window we need to select the driver tab. For that, so now press the right arrow, then you will get into the driver tab. Now just tab, then use down arrow, keep pressing tab button. Okay, so you will get this uninstalled device. If you hit enter on this uninstalled device, so the mouse drivers will be uninstalled. Then you need to just use Alt F4 to close all these windows. Again press Alt F4 and just use the right arrow and hit enter into the restart. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video. You can also check the pin comment, that will also gonna help you to fix this issue. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.